So, these last few days we have been trying to explain the process of learning shamatha in accordance with the explanations that we can find in the northern tradition. Today we want especially to emphasize the fact that learning shamatha, just like learning vipassana, is an organic process, integral process, in which the meditator is learning to face obstacles. So, living our lives, we always, in one way or another, are facing obstacles. The things are not as we wish them to be, but they turn to be quite a different way. These are the facts of life. And especially now most of us present here are lay people. They should know how to use meditation in daily life to deal with the problems in daily life, so that the meditation and daily life, they should go together. They should not clash with each other. That is the particular emphasis also of the practice of shamatha and vipassana as the parami, as a perfection, namely the perfection of meditation and wisdom. This perfection of meditation and wisdom, they cannot be separated with all other perfections that we need to live life in a satisfactory way. Now, if we are facing problems in life, it is because these perfections that make our life really worthwhile for ourselves and others have not been practiced much by us. So we should always try to understand these difficulties and obstacles that we are facing in meditation in a larger picture, the larger picture of our daily life. Finally, even the monks, even the Buddha, even his disciples, even the bodhisattvas, they have to live daily life and they have to deal with the problems of daily life. And meditation is there to make their lives easier. Once we are born, we are bound to get old, we are bound to die, we are bound to experience all kinds of diseases, all kinds of discomforts in the body. As far as these things are concerned, there is no exception. So we learn meditation in order to face these problems of life in a dignified way. Only then we will be actually able to be of great use to others. If we cannot face our problems in a dignified way, however much we try to help others, we will find it always very difficult or impossible, and it will lead to frustrations. So it is very important to start from the beginning. When we learn meditation, I am myself the example, not a good example, and most of us are not good example, to integrate meditation into daily life, and that is not an easy thing to do. So for that it is of extreme importance that we understand these obstacles we are facing in meditation in a broader light, in the broader understanding, in the understanding of our old habits which are preventing us for keeping the mind peaceful in daily life. So in fact, all the obstacles we are facing in meditation, in one way or another, directly or indirectly, they are connected with our old habits that we have, if we believe in Buddhism, we have accumulated in innumerable lives. We will talk about it more next week when we try to explain the shamatha and vipassana in the framework of the practice of perfections of the 6 paramis. Just like the 3 teachings of the Buddha, the teaching of morality, samadhi and wisdom can only be understood when we understand them together. We separate them in order to understand them together. So actually the practice of the perfections of the paramis, especially of the perfection of concentration and wisdom, they